so here we are, Tomahawk Trail in our new home in Brookfield, getting ready to do some demoing. Today I know we are taking the door, our China hutch that is in the garage, and we are going to be knocking a door to make it an attached garage, which it is, but then we are going to make it so you can get into the home from the garage. Go inside. Okay, so inside the home they're starting to take off all the trim. Baseboard, tear up the carpet, and trim around the windows. Once they are finished demoing,
you can take a look at that, Scott, and give it a
it kind of looks like this. Well, the trim is gone. All the door jambs are gone.
I'll cut it out as tight as I can.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll probably just square off and, we'll put backers or whatever we got to put in there.
Maybe half of it. It's like, what it is, this lower roof, the top one on the flash. Every day, I think it's lower.
This is Rigo from One Day Drywall. He's going to be, what are you doing in here?
With all the drywall repairs and retention of the whole house.
Make it look like all the other ones.
Hopefully.
All right, great. That's really tough. It's not doing anything.
Come on.
Can't they have a saw? Oh, that hurt.
Here in the garage, we're gonna add an entrance into the house because you had to go outside to get inside. Oh, here's Stacey now.
There you go.
That'd be a better entrance?
Much better entrance. Easy access from the garage. If you'd like to view this home or any of our other rent-to-own homes, please visit us at wisconsininsiderto.com. Thanks, and see you again soon.